Reverend Father Ejikembaga suspended from no church activity for 1 month. Catholic Diocese of Enugu. The General Overseer Restoration Praise Ministry, Archbishop Simon Benjamin, protests with coffee in Lagos against Buhari administration. God is not happy with you. US, UK, Canada asked to impose visa ban on 34 Nigerian state governors, civil rights organization. President Buhari's administration is like Saul in the Bible, famous gospel singer Panam Paul. Stay tuned as we go in detail. Reverend Father Ejikembaga is suspended from church activity for 1 month. Catholic Diocese of Enugu, led by Cletus Valentine Onaga, the diocesan bishop, has summoned Father Mbaka on May 3, 2021. He called him based on the statement he asked Buhari to resign or impeach over his inability to tackle growing insecurity in the country, a call which sparkled a row between him and the presidency. On Wednesday 5th, it was reported that he was missing, which prompted a protest in Enugu that later led to his release.
Can you tell us what's going on? Why are you people protesting?
The adoration ministry in general are looking for our spiritual director, our priest, our daddy, and our father. Government and the people of Nigeria should provide Mbaka for us. In Nigeria, we have freedom of speech. It is not evil for somebody to say that the government is not doing well. Youth don't have job. There is no security in Nigeria. Bloodshed every day, killing every day. Mbaka told the government that if they cannot do this anymore, they should drop the seat and give chance for another person. That is what he said to Buhari. And today, we are looking for our priests. They have kidnapped our priests. Nigeria should provide our priests. Mbaka is paying our school fees. Mbaka is paying for our house rent. Mbaka is feeding widows. Mbaka is giving us shelter, paying us. We need Mbaka within 24 hours.
Mbaka said one of the things presented against him was that he blessed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of IPOB, Indigenous People of Biafra, as well as his recent criticism on the present Buhari government. Mbaka said, "Are you the owner of my mouth? You cannot tell me who to bless. If you are not happy that I bless someone, you have your own mouth. You can curse the person." The General Overseer of Restoration Praise Ministry, Archbishop Samson Benjamin, protests against Buhari administration in Lagos, Nigeria, carrying coffee on his head. He shouted as he marched through the streets of Fiesta. He said what made him to carry the coffee is that in the time of old, the prophets carried symbols to tell the leaders the truth. According to him, he quotes the message he heard from God. Tell the leaders that they have intentionally deprived common resources that belong to the great country and have brought hardship to the citizen. No one eats 3 times in a day. Only some eat 2 and some 1. Change or no more. Wow, today we thank God and celebrate a great woman of valor, Mrs. Onyechi Duru, as they climb a podium to receive a car award from Norland. Is a worthy of emulation. Thank you, ma. I say, may this be a stepping stone to a greater award coming your way. A great work need a great reward. Today is your own. Don't forget that this woman has a great school, Fountain of Knowledge, the best school among all in Ebonyi State, Abakaliki, the capital. The school is just superb. Try it today, you see. Motto, quest for knowledge. Try it and you see a difference in your child. Just a touch, you see a difference. Thank you and God bless you. We celebrate you, ma. Congratulations. US, UA, Canada asked to impose visa ban on 34 Nigerian state governors. The letter addressed to the United States Ambassador, British and Canadian High Commissioner in Nigeria, requesting a visa ban on 34 Nigerian state governors, including their family members. The request was contained in the communique issued on Tuesday, 2nd May 2021, a civil society organization, the Civil Rights Realization and Advancement Network. The organization accused the governors of refusing to observe the constitutional provision of funding of judiciary, hence demand that US, UK, and the Canadian government ban them and their family and their relatives, including Attorney General. The reason for their ban is that the chief judge goes on their knee to beg the governor to approve the allocation of their funding of. How can there be a fair hearing in any matter or case in the court while they go on their knee begging the governor to approve the allocation? They have to be on autonomy to decide and conclude what to do and determine what to happen. The famous gospel singer Panam Percy Paul has compared President Buhari to a first Israel king, Saul. Saul was the first king of Israelites who God later rejected and replaced with a young David. Please drop your comment at the comment section. If Mbaka was not later seen, what do you think should be the reaction of the masses now? For the Mbaka suspension, what is the role? What should be the role of our Christian leaders? Archbishop Benjamin protests with coffee against Buhari. What is your take on this? Gospel singer Paul compared Buhari to Saul in the Bible. What is your stance? Drop your comments. Just feel free and drop your comments. Follow us on The Mirror TV YouTube, The Mirror TV Twitter, The Mirror Facebook, DMs TV and Co. Facebook page. Thank you so much for subscribing. Just subscribe and follow us on this platform. Thank you and God bless you.